Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a lightweight, durable racket ideal for beginners, recreational players, and intermediates looking for a balance of power and control. Its standout feature is the titanium and graphite composite construction, offering a lightweight frame with exceptional strength and flexibility. The racket is easy to maneuver, making it suitable for players who prefer a less strenuous swing. With an oversized 115 square-inch head, the T.S6 has a large sweet spot, which enhances forgiveness on off-center hits. This feature is particularly beneficial for improving consistency and accuracy during gameplay. The racket's extended length of 27.75 inches provides extra reach for ground strokes and added leverage for serving, allowing players to generate more power. The 16x19 string pattern promotes better spin potential, while the pre-strung design saves players the hassle of setup. Weighing only 8.9 ounces, strung, the T.S6 reduces arm fatigue, making it ideal for prolonged matches or practice sessions. Its beam width of 28.5 mm adds stability and helps generate more power with minimal effort. While the racket excels in power and forgiveness, advanced players might find it lacking in precision and control for high-level play. However, its user-friendly design makes it a favorite for those starting out or returning to the game. In summary, the Head T.S6 tennis racket is a great choice for players seeking a lightweight, powerful, and easy-to-handle racket with a large sweet spot. It is particularly suited for casual players and those improving their skills. Advanced competitors might require a more control-oriented option, but for recreational play, the T.S6 delivers excellent value and performance. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen tennis racket is a versatile and well-balanced racket designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking power, control, and comfort. Part of Yonex's popular E-Zone series, it offers excellent all-around performance, making it suitable for various playing styles. The racket features an updated isometric head shape with a 100 square-inch frame, providing a slightly larger sweet spot for improved forgiveness and consistency on off-center shots. Its 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, while the 320G swing weight strikes a balance between power and maneuverability, enabling players to hit with depth and control. A key improvement in this 7th generation model is Yonex's 2G NAM speed graphite material, integrated into the frame for better responsiveness and energy transfer. This results in more explosive power while maintaining a smooth, controlled feel. The vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle helps reduce unwanted vibrations, enhancing comfort and reducing arm fatigue, which is particularly valuable during long matches. With a beam width of 23.8 mm/26.5 mm/22.5 mm, the racket maintains stability while allowing for easy swing acceleration. Its unstrung weight of 300 g, 10.6 ounces, makes it easy to maneuver, appealing to aggressive baseline players and those who rely on quick net play. The Yonex E-Zone 100 is also praised for its versatility, performing well across ground strokes, volleys, and serves. While it is forgiving enough for intermediate players, its precision and power potential make it a favorite among advanced players seeking a balanced, high-performance racket. In summary, the Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen combines power, comfort, and spin in a well-rounded package, making it a reliable choice for players who want a racket that adapts to different playing styles and excels in all areas of the game. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 tennis racket is a precision-focused racket designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking enhanced control, spin, and feel. It is part of Wilson's Blade series, which is known for its responsiveness and modern performance. The Racket features a 98 square inch head size, offering a smaller sweet spot for precise shot placement. Its 16 by 19 string pattern is optimized for spin generation and provides excellent bite on the ball, making it a great choice for players who enjoy adding spin to their shots. The Racket's 320G swing weight and 305G unstrung weight strike a balance between stability and maneuverability, appealing to aggressive baseliners and all-court players alike. One of the standout features of the Blade V9 is its 45-degree technology, which enhances frame flexibility and stability without compromising power. This innovation provides a connected feel, making it easier to control the ball on impact. The Racket also features a top grip taper, which improves grip comfort and control, especially for two-handed backhands. Its beam width of 21 mm contributes to its aerodynamic design, allowing for faster swings and more precise control. While the Racket is unstrung, its customizable nature gives players the freedom to tailor the tension and string type to their preferences. Though it excels in control and feel, players seeking a more power-oriented racket may find the Blade 98 less suitable. However, its precision and spin potential make it a favorite for advanced players who rely on strategy and placement. In summary, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a high-performance racket ideal for players looking for precision, spin, and a connected feel. Its blend of control and responsiveness makes it a versatile option for competitive play. Number 4. Best tennis racket for power. The Solinco Blackout 300 tennis racket is a power-oriented racket designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking explosive performance, spin, and stability. Part of Solinco's growing lineup, the Blackout 300 caters to aggressive baseliners and all-court players looking for a racket that excels in power without sacrificing control. The racket features a 100 square inch head size, offering a forgiving sweet spot for consistent performance on off-center hits. Its 16 by 19 string pattern enhances spin potential, making it easy to generate topspin and slice. Weighing 300 g, 10.6 ounces, unstrung, the Blackout 300 offers excellent maneuverability and a quick swing, perfect for fast-paced gameplay. A standout feature is Solinco's 40T carbon fiber technology, integrated into the frame for improved stability, power, and feel. The racket also includes Power Flex Zone technology, strategically engineered in the shaft to enhance energy return, enabling more explosive shots. Its beam width of 23 mm/26 mm/23 mm provides a blend of power and control, giving players the confidence to hit aggressive ground strokes. The Blackout 300 is also equipped with Foam Tech Core, which dampens vibrations for a more comfortable feel, making it arm-friendly during long matches. Its balance of 6 points headlight ensures easy maneuverability for quick net play while maintaining stability for baseline exchanges. While the Blackout 300 is tailored for power and spin, some advanced players seeking maximum precision might find it less suited for their needs. However, for those who enjoy an attacking style of play, it delivers a fantastic combination of power and spin with good comfort. In summary, the Solinco Blackout 300 is a dynamic, high-performance racket ideal for players who value power, spin, and maneuverability. Its innovative technologies and forgiving design make it a strong contender for intermediate to advanced players. Number 5. Best tennis racket for control. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 tennis racket is a premium, control-oriented racket designed for advanced and intermediate players who value precision, stability, and feel. A lighter alternative to the Pro Staff RF97, it offers similar performance with increased maneuverability, making it ideal for aggressive players who want to dominate from the baseline or the net. With a 97 square inch head size, the racket delivers exceptional precision and control, rewarding players who can consistently hit the sweet spot. Its 16 by 19 string pattern provides a good balance of spin and power, catering to modern gameplay styles. Weighing 315 g, 11.1 ounces, unstrung, it offers solid stability while remaining easy to swing for fast-paced rallies and quick net exchanges. The Racket's frame incorporates Wilson's Braid 45 technology, which uses a unique braiding technique to enhance feel and stability. This results in a more connected and controlled response during impact. The paradigm bending technology further optimizes the flex between the hoop and shaft, improving precision and consistency across shots. A key design feature of the ProStaff 97 V14 is its innovative carbon fiber weave finish, which not only looks sleek but also contributes to its premium feel. Its head-like balance ensures excellent maneuverability, making it easier to generate racket head speed for spin and power without sacrificing control. While the ProStaff 97 V14 excels in precision and feel, it is best suited for players who can generate their own power. Beginners or those looking for a more forgiving frame might find it less suitable. In summary, the Wilson ProStaff 97 V14 is a high-performance racket ideal for players seeking precision, control, and stability. Its advanced technologies and lightweight design make it a great option for competitive players looking to elevate their game.